Office 2016 is changing the way we work with documents. Now our files can live in different locations to the ones we're used to, and this has an impact on everyday tasks like saving a file. To save a file, click on the File tab in the application that you're using and select Save if the document you're working on is a new document, or Save As if you're editing an existing document. The page is divided into 3 sections. The far left-hand blue column is the File tab navigation menu. The middle Save As or Save column shows you the locations that you can save your files to. And the right-hand larger column shows you your list of folders and existing files in the location that you've chosen. To save a new file or change the location of a file you've already been editing, choose a location from the middle column. You have 3 choices. OneDrive, which is the default location, is the equivalent of your G drive stored in the Microsoft Cloud and accessible via the waffle from the intranet. Sites are the SharePoint sites, team sites, community sites, meeting sites or project sites that you may have access to. And this PC, by clicking on the arrow in the top left-hand corner of the main column, shows you your G drive and any team drives that you may have access to. Once you've chosen a location, select the folder that you want to store your document in. Give your file a name. Choose the file type if it isn't going to be a straightforward document, and click Save. You'll know that your file has been saved when you return to the main screen with the document you've been working on showing in front of you. To get back to the file location, click on File and Save As. And it will show you the location of the file that you've just saved in the location that you chose. There are a couple of things to be aware of if you're using a thin desktop PC. For example, you won't find your OneDrive files or folders in File Explorer. Instead, you need to access them via the waffle in the top left-hand corner of the intranet and click on the OneDrive app. This shows the folders and any files that you've uploaded to OneDrive. This is the document that I've been working on in Office 2016. If you want to save a file to a SharePoint site, such as your team site, you won't have the option to change a file name after the file has been created. This is to prevent accidental replication of documents. Instead, what you will see are the locations to which you have saved files recently that you have access to on SharePoint. If you're in any doubt about where to save a file, click Browse. That opens up File Explorer for you and will give you quick and easy access to your G drive and your team drives by clicking on this PC.